to get your drafts back on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to get your drafts back on TikTok. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Now go to your profile. All you need to do is take a screenshot of your profile. Now click on those three buttons up there. Click on Settings and Privacy. Keep search until you find Report a Problem. Click on Videos and Sounds. And now click on Drafts. And click on Missing Drafts. Click No and Need More Help. Now click on the picture icon and choose the screenshot you took and tell TikTok team your problem, like my draft it's gone and the number of drafts, anything you want, and click on report. It's gonna take almost 24 hours. Hope this video was helpful, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.